Introducing the Non-IC Retrofit Junction Box Adapter Kit. DMF's latest innovation designed to upgrade your existing or outdated non-IC housings to a high-performance DMF LED solution. Prior to installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is turned off. For this installation, you will need a screwdriver and wire cutters. The DMF products you will need include a non-IC Retrofit Junction Box Adapter and a 4-inch module and trim. The Retrofit Junction Box Adapter Kit is designed to adapt legacy DMF products like the DCD1, DCD2, and DCD3 to the latest DMF modules. For specific details outside of the examples shown in this video, please refer to the installation instructions. For the first section of this video, we are going to walk you through the upgrade of our legacy DCD3 commercial product. Identify the fixture that needs replacement and remove the trim and module from the ceiling by pulling down on the trim, disengaging the spring clips. Detach the DCD module from the housing flex by pushing in the 2 gray unlock buttons on the sides of the Molex connector at the end of the housing flex. You are now ready to upgrade your fixture to an M-Series module. Open the junction box door on the existing housing and undo the wire nuts connecting the driver to the building's main power supply and dimmer. Remove the conduit and wiring from the junction box. For easier removal, from the outside of the junction box, twist the conduit counterclockwise until it detaches from the conduit connector. Remove the conduit connector from the junction box by pinching the connector together on the inside of the box and pushing it out. Take your new retrofit adapter cable and route the conduit from it through the open knockout used in the previous step. For easier installation, slip one edge at a time of the strain relief ring into the junction box opening. Once the cable has been fully inserted, push the connector into the junction box. Tug outward to confirm the conduit is fully secure. You will find tape on the conduit end of your retrofit adapter cable. Remove the tape and proceed to redo the wire nuts to the electrical mains. Reinstall and close the junction box door. For module installation, unlike the DCD3, you will find the M-Series modules come in various heatsink sizes that are dependent on their Lumen output. Please follow along for specific instructions on each one. For embedded driver, downlight modules up to 2000 lumens. Connect the LED module connector to the connector of the wiring cap assembly. Note: do not hang the LED module by the connector. Coil the excess wire into the wiring cap. Snap the wiring cap and the module together, taking care not to pinch the wires. With DCD housings, DCD trims must be reused with the M-Series modules to ensure proper fit. For DCD trim installation, twist and lock the M-Series module onto the trim. Flex the trim spring clips inward and push the module and trim into the opening until flush with the ceiling. For downlight modules with detachable drivers and lumens ranging from 2500 to 3500, connect the female connector of the driver to the male connector of the wiring cap assembly. Coil the excess wiring into the wiring cap and snap the wiring cap and the driver together, taking care not to pinch the wires. Pass the connected driver up through the housing and attach to the door junction box, securing with the magnet or placing into the plenum. Align the DCD trim onto the M-Series module and turn clockwise until secure. Flex the trim spring clips inward and push the module and trim into the opening until flush with the ceiling. For more information on how to change our module optics in the field, please refer to our website for step-by-step instructions. There may also be application instances with the retrofit adapter, which require a driver to be bypassed. Examples could include our DCD1 and DCD2 products, or with a non-IC housing from another manufacturer. For those installations, remove the existing light engine and trim from the ceiling. Where possible, remove the trim and/or light engine. Open the junction box door and undo the wire nuts connecting the driver to the building's main power supply. Remove the existing conduit and whip from the housing and discard. Remove the junction box door with the driver from the housing and pull down through the ceiling. Cut off the excess cable on the driver and place the not operational label, provided with the adapter, on the front of the driver. Certain housings may require a different conduit connector than is supplied with the adapter cable. If required, remove the supplied strain relief and connector and replace with the appropriate connector. Connect the retrofit adapter cable and connector into the open knockout on the junction box. Tug outward on the connector to ensure secure installation. Remove the tape from the wiring end of the retrofit adapter cable and securely reconnect the wire nuts to the electrical mains. Reinsert the driver and junction box door into the ceiling. Insert and close the remaining door to the junction box on the housing. For existing 6-inch housings, you have the unique opportunity to take your retrofit a step further and transform it into a sleek 4-inch fixture with our 6 to 4-inch conversion kit. For more information and full installation steps, reference our DMF YouTube page. For non-IC installation, make sure to remove the ground wires from the conversion kit before installation. Once the conversion kit has been installed and your ceiling is finished, you can proceed with module installation, as previously outlined with the other downlight modules. DMF retrofit solutions are always plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty.